Misfolded proteins. The hidden killer in your brain. Your brain is an incredible machine. But what if I told you, one tiny mistake in how a protein folds could be the beginning of a nightmare? Today, we're diving into the world of misfolded proteins, a silent threat linked to Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and other brain disorders. Let's break down what they are, why they matter, and how they affect your brain. In simple terms, what are misfolded proteins? Proteins are like tiny machines in your body. They need to be folded perfectly to work right. But sometimes, they fold incorrectly, like trying to build a car with parts in the wrong place. These misfolded proteins can clump together, forming toxic structures that damage brain cells. 2. Why do they happen? Aging. The body becomes less efficient at cleaning up misfolded proteins. Genetics. Mutations can increase the risk. Environmental stress, like toxins, inflammation, or oxidative stress. Lack of proper protein recycling in the body, proteostasis failure. 3. The damage they cause. Misfolded proteins can checkmark disrupt communication between brain cells. Checkmark cause inflammation. Checkmark kill neurons. This leads to conditions like Alzheimer's disease, beta amyloid plaques, Parkinson's disease, alpha-synuclein clumps, ALS and Huntington. 4. Can we prevent or fix this? While there's no cure, research is ongoing. Some ways to support brain health include checkmark eating a brain-healthy diet, omega-3s, antioxidants, checkmark reducing stress and inflammation, checkmark staying mentally and physically active, checkmark sleep, critical for clearing brain waste, checkmark early detection and genetic testing in high-risk groups. Conclusion. Call to action. Misfolded proteins are one of the brain's biggest threats, silent, invisible, but powerful. The good news? Science is catching up, and awareness is the first step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simplified medical science every week. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. I read every one.